Welcome back to Manhattan Beach Toyota. I'm Brandon. Today we're in a 2022 Avalon Limited Hybrid, Hybrid Limited, however you want to read that. So I want to show off the voice commands, what they can do for you in 2022 models. This is a high trim, so let's show off a bit, yeah? And this is without having any apps on. This is without any Apple CarPlay. Let's see what it can do. Find a Taco Bell nearby.
Searching. Showing results for Taco Bell.
Next page. Great. So I really like the one in Gardena. One.
Starting guidance for a new route.
All right, so we got that set up. That's great. So we'll keep going. Tune to 102.7.
102.7 FM.
So it looks like it's gonna be really great for traffic conditions, because there's also something you can do for traffic conditions. Show traffic conditions.
You can check traffic conditions by
Near here. You know, and I messed up because I think along my route would have been the better option. Near here might be nice. Let's see. I don't even know what these do. Okay, so it shows roads in particular. That can be useful, actually. That's pretty cool. Okay. That was a couple things of the voice command. Honestly, pretty useful. I want to see how it does with apps in particular. So let me know how that happens for you if you have one of the newer models and you have apps installed. How useful are your voice commands with this lady here? Look at her, just spitting facts. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good one.